Okay, so firewall, which is an important topic for us. So what is a firewall and types of firewall? That's what we are discussing. So when we discuss about the countermeasure, one of the countermeasure is firewall and proxies. So what is a firewall? Okay, a system designed to prevent unauthorized access to or from an internal network. So that's a definition of a firewall. A system which is preventing an unauthorized access to or from the internal network. So you always have definitely internal network and external network. And you want to make a segregation between your internal network, secure private LAN, and internet, public network, and whatever you see the specified traffic will be allowed and restrictive the unknown traffic. So when you have a router without any firewall, without any access list, as long as you have a routing, anybody, all the traffic is permitted, without any any kind of. So it means actually effectively on that building in a router, for example, you don't have any security guard outside to watch who is coming, who is going, what time he is going. When you access the buildings, they ask you might be what time you come in, what time you go, write your name, time to enter, time to leave, for example. All these information they can keep track through there. How you can keep track this information in the network? So that is why at the perimeter or or in the server side they install a firewall, and the job of the firewall to prevent unauthorized access from to and from the internal network. So what is the benefit of firewall?